Today is the history of that one man who is one in millions, who brought us all together. Kutch to Kohima, Kargil to Kanyakumari, if we are travelling freely today across the lands of India means, it is because of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who thought of India as my family, my responsibility. Born as Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat, to father Jhaverbhai Patel and mother Ladbhai. After studying law in England, in 1913 he returned to India and practiced law in Ahmedabad and became one of the city's most successful barristers. Initially, Vallabhbhai Patel not much interested in the independence movement. A meeting with Mahatma Gandhi in 1917 changed his views. Leaving his law practice, Patel committed himself to the independence struggle. Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister and the first Home Minister of independent India. He was awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1991. From 2014, his birthday is celebrated as National Unity Day. His notable works include Kedah district faced plague, scarcity of food, and also crop failures by 1918. The British government refused to exempt the land revenue. Patel led the hesitation of the farmers and jamindars to get tax exemption. Patel joined Gandhi's non-cooperation movement in 1920 and travelled around West India to recruit 3 lakh members. In 1923, when Gandhi was in prison, Patel led the Satyagraha movement in Nagpur. With the British banned hoisting of Indian flag, he succeeded in obtaining the consent to hoist the flag publicly and also got the prisoners released. From 1924 to 1928, Patel was chosen the president of the Municipal Committee of Ahmedabad. During these years, he implemented several sanitations, water supply, administration, and town planning programs. He also worked towards several social reforms including prohibition of untouchability, casteism, alcoholism, etc. In 1928, the government raised the land revenue at a time when farmers in Bardoli were already facing extreme scarcity of food. When farmers refused to pay the taxes, the government arrested farmers and seized their lands. Many satyagrahas were undertaken, and after 6 months, Patel carried on his negotiations with the government, and as a result, government returned the seized lands and the implementation of increased tax was postponed. The success of the Bardoli Satyagraha earned him the name Sardar. He participated in Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha and Quit India movement. British gave 2 choices to the Indian princely states. They could either join India or Pakistan or stay independent. As the Home Minister, he tactfully negotiated and succeeded in integrating over 560 states to the Indian Union. Because of his efforts, today India stands as an integrated nation. World's tallest statue of 182 meters, called Statue of Unity, was built to pay tribute to this great man. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.